हाजीर आशिल्ले सगळे पत्रकार बंधू हांच्या आयच्या पत्रकार बसकेन हांव प्रतिभा बोरकर स्वागत करता। आयज भोगी आसा, सगळ्यांक भोगीची हुनहुनीत परबी दिता आणि आयची पत्रकार परिषद आम्ही सुरू करता। आमच्या बरोबर आसा गोंय प्रदेश तृणमूल काँग्रेस वेंचणूक प्रभारी महुआ मोइत्रा, गोंय प्रदेश तृणमूल काँग्रेस वेंचणूक प्रसार माध्यम प्रभारी श्री ओमप्रकाशजी मिश्रा आणि आमची राज्यसभा खासदार श्रीमती सुष्मिता देवजी ही सगळी सोयरी आमच्या बरोबर आसा। जशे की तुम्ही सगळे जाणा गृहलक्ष्मी येवजण आम्ही लॉन्च केल्ली आणि ताका गोंयकारांनी आमचे जो गोंयकार अस्तुरी आसा तांणी भरभरून आमकां तेंको दिलो आणि हातून तांणी एनरोलमेंट केले, फॉर्म भरले आपले आणि आमकां बऱ्या तरेन एक रिस्पॉन्स दिलो, प्रतिसाद दिलो। दुसरी आमची येवजण आसा युवा शक्ती, जे की आम्ही तरणाट्या खातीर जी भुरगीं शिक्षण घेतात तांच्या खातीर आम्ही ही येवजण लागू केल्ली आसा, ताजे उक्तावण केल्लें आसा। त्या येवजणेक बी गोंयकारांनी बरो प्रतिसाद दिला आणि ताज्या खातीरच आयची जी आमची पत्रकार बसका आसा ती आम्ही आपयल्ली आसा। हांव मॅडम महुआ मोइत्राजी तांकां विनंती करता की तांणी मुखावेली कार्यावळ फुडें घेवची।
Thank you, Pratibha ji. We're just here to say that we've launched these two landmark initiatives, actually three landmark initiatives for the people of Goa. The first is the Griha Lakshmi card, the second the Yuva Shakti card, and then we've introduced the Majha Ghar Malka Haq program, which is to give freehold rights to the residents in Goa. Of these, the Griha Lakshmi card is aimed at the female head of households. We've already crossed 2.5 lakh enrollments for that one. For the Yuva Shakti card, which is aimed at the age group 18 to 45. So both men and women in the age group 18 to 45 who need money for educational purposes, to set up a small business, for entrepreneurial purposes. It's a 4% line of credit up to 20 lakhs. With no collateral. So most young people face a problem if they come from an impoverished background, is that you don't have any equity to put up as collateral. The state is standing guarantor, you don't need collateral. We have reached the landmark figure of 1.5 lakh enrollments for the Yuva Shakti card. That's 1.5 lakhs. In a population of Goa of about 10 to 11 lakhs, 1.5 lakhs in a week we consider is very, very good going. And we hope in the coming days that we will be able to reach every single household and every single person in Goa with any of these three initiatives. Trinamool Congress believes in reaching every household. That's what we've done in Bengal, and that is what we aim to do here. That is the way our governance is based, that we will come to you, we will reach your doorstep. This is something the Griha Lakshmi scheme and the Yuva Shakti card are aimed at. So this figure of 1.5 lakhs after a week, we are very proud of, and we will keep updating you over the next few days about how the progress of these three schemes is going on. Thank you so much. I will ask Sushmita to say a few words.
Thank you, Mohua ji. I think the fact that we are consistently being asked that what we have been able to do in such a short time, I take pride in saying that we have touched the mark of 1.5 lakhs since we launched the Yuva Shakti scheme. And this is about empowerment of the youth of Goa. As you know, unemployment is a very, very big issue. And I take this opportunity to ask the Bharatiya Janata Party, which has been in government in Goa, that recently they announced that they will give 30,000 jobs to the youth of Goa in the future. So we would like to ask the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa that what is it he was doing for the last 5 years and why these employment opportunities were not given. But All India Trinamool Congress is working towards empowerment of women and the youth through these two schemes, empowerment of the people of Goa through the land scheme. And I would like to say that the beauty about this scheme is what Mohua ji said, no collateral, 4% interest, which is minimal. But every time a young person starts a small business, he will not only find a path for his income, but he will employ 4 or 5 more Goan youngsters in that startup. And that's what we envision under this scheme. So I hope that we've reached 1.5 lakhs, and we hope that we'll cross many more milestones when it comes to taking this scheme, which will empower the youth of Goa. Thank you.
Thank you.
आमचे प्रसार माध्यम प्रभारी असा श्री ओम प्रकाश मिसाळ तांकां हांव विनंती करता की तांणी ह्या येवजणेबद्दल आपली माहिती द्यावी.
Thank you. My colleagues have already outlined this massive exercise undertaken by Goa Trinamool Congress to reach to every section of the population and in fact every village and the township of Goa with the 3 schemes that has been launched. The third scheme which was launched yesterday is also going to benefit a large number of people, and housing, especially the 50,000 housing that would be made affordable for people, is going to be a very big step. Trinamool Congress believes in public administration and public policy in great sync, and this is what has been achieved in Bengal, but here it has been possible for us to do it in a much more focused way. So Trinamool Congress is the only party which is actually going to the people, encouraging them to register for various enterprises and empowerment schemes that have been launched. And we are very glad that this Yuva Shakti card has reached 1.5 lakh registration, which I think possibly is a record in India, especially in view of the unemployment which has been going on. Unemployment figures are very dim, especially in Goa. And so therefore, to that extent, this is a great scheme, and we are very happy that we have been able to reach so many people, and then there is a connect that has been able to establish. So we have been able to establish a connect between issues of people's concern, secondly public policy, and thirdly grassroots reach of Trinamool Congress here in Goa. And I'm sure that we are going to implement this in the governance structure that will definitely follow in a positive way in favor of Trinamool Congress after the assembly elections. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank
तुमच्या
you.
सगळ्यांची देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. कितें तुमकां प्रश्न आसत जाल्यार तुम्ही विचारू शकता. ओके.
Thank you.
खूप खूप धन्यवाद.